In this video, you shall learn how to install the spike detector, any custom indicator, and expert advisor. Any file you want to install on MT5 on PC or MacBook, this is how to install it. Once you get the spike detector, either from the website, like here, you can get the spike detector, or any file that you're using, download the file. You can get the spike detector from that, or you have received the file via the email, like the thousand of this will receive the spike detector via the email. You just click the download button. Make sure you download it. Whatever, if you are getting from any website, wherever it is, just make sure you are downloading the spike detector. Once you download or transfer it into your PC or MacBook, maybe you can transfer it from the phone, and you come and get the spike detector here, or any file that you want to install on MT5. There are two ways to actually install it. Once it is in the downloads folder, you already have the file, you got it from either from the website, you got it from email, you received it via the email address. Now there are two ways. One is you select the spike detector and open with MT5. So you can select it and open with MT5. And what that happens is that you'll see it has been installed here. So your work is just drag and drop, click OK, and your indicator or the spike detector is installed. The other way is you come here, select the spike detector, control copy, control C, or you can just select and copy from here. Copy. Here you have copy. You can copy or control C. Then you go to MT5, file, open data folder, MQL5, indicators, and then you control V, paste. And it will be pasted here. And if it's an expert advisor or an EA, you go to expert and paste it here, or just open with the first method. For it to refresh, when you have used the second method, where you are going to file, open data folder, MQL5, and paste it on the indicator tab, you are supposed to close the MT5 and open it again. If now you want to put the indicator on your chart, like this one, you go to view on MT5, navigator, and if it's an indicator, you just see it here, spike detector verified, or any indicator you want to put, you can see the blueprint system. And if it is an expert advisor, you just here. But most of the time, if you have never used this, you'll find that it is collapsed like that. So you select indicators, you enlarge it to see them. If you want the expert advisor, you come to expert advisor and enlarge them and scroll down. You'll see all your expert advisors which are available. And the process of installing even an expert advisor is simple. Just drag and drop and click OK. And it is installed just like that. So, and because this video you are focusing on the spike detector as our example, I want to show you one more last thing to ensure that you have actually installed it and it is working. So you drag and drop the spike detector and click OK. And on the top left corner, you'll see spike detector deliver algo lightings, log 3 and some lightings on there. That means it is working. It is analyzing the market. But if I change something so that it doesn't work and compile again the file, you'll see now you are seeing a label sign. That means it is not working. You are seeing label. That means the spike detector is not working. And what you're supposed to do by then, you go to the expert, you open the toolbox and go to the experts. toolbox, go to expert, and you'll see the blueprint system is not allowed to run on this account. And for that, you just get the new file or contact via the Discord, our community, or on my WhatsApp, and ensure you get a proper file via your email when you are using the spike detector or whatever the source was. That is specifically for the spike detector. Now that we have installed the spike detector, our next lesson will be on how to use.